What if I told you that Amazon has 5 hidden features that could transform your sales with free traffic? Because right now on Amazon, organic traffic isn't dead. You've probably just been looking in the wrong places. You see, there's a hidden side of Amazon that 99% of Amazon sellers will never see. But once you see it, Amazon will never look the same to you again. And this is really good news, especially if you've been pouring countless hours into your Amazon business only to see minimal organic growth. Or if you've been paying through the nose for Amazon advertising just to see your products buried in an endless sea of Amazon listings. So let's start by taking a look at the first of our 5 secret weapons that's so hidden away that even seasoned Amazon sellers completely miss it. In fact, we use this one hidden feature to take Carrick's gaming mouse from being lost on page 7 to dominating page 1. And the crazy part is, it all happened overnight. Now, let me say that if you've ever felt like you're throwing darts blindfolded when it comes to Amazon SEO, well, you're not alone. It's frustrating to meticulously choose keywords only to see your listings get buried under a mountain of competitors. But instead of stuffing your listing with more and more keywords, the name of this game is to play text Tetris by fitting the right keywords into the right spaces for maximum impact. Because Amazon doesn't just give away those top ranking spots to any listing with the right keywords. No, those top spots are protected by Amazon because they mean money. Look right here, these listings that are up here at the top are making money for Amazon. I mean, see how many are sold each month? But these poor listings on page 7 do not have the same sales. See? Nothing. And yes, it really is that simple. But you're saying, Sean, I see new products pop up all the time on page 1. Yep, but the key is to understand how they got there. Because Amazon's algorithm shows favor to a select handful of new listings, and these listings are set up in a very specific way. And it's done by hacking the keyword profile. Here's how it works. When you mirror the exact keyword profile of proven winners, you're essentially speaking Amazon's language, giving your new listing the golden ticket to those coveted top spots. It's like cracking a magic code. Match the winner's keyword profile and unlock the door to page 1 visibility. That's why Carrick's gaming mouse could jump to page 1 in under 24 hours. So the key is to find the products that rank best for your targeted keywords. These are the listings you want to hack. Simply use a keyword density tool to count the occurrences of relevant keywords on their product bullet points and descriptions and so on. Then, based on your competitor analysis, create a winning keyword profile that outlines the ideal density and distribution of keywords. Next, play text Tetris by strategically placing those keywords in your bullet points and descriptions until your listing matches the exact same keyword density as those top listings. Now, don't go hog wild here. It's not just about numbers. You also need to maintain readability. So avoid keyword stuffing. But when done right, this text Tetris technique gives your listing an SEO boost, even without a sales history, so it's great for launches. However, let me be honest. If you just stop right there, you're leaving money on the table. Because what if I told you there's a hidden way to stack even more high-value keywords into your listing, but without touching a single part of your main content? That's where the keyword whisper strategy comes in. And I'm excited to share this with you. But first, if you find strategies like this valuable and want to uncover even more hidden Amazon features to grow your sales, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps more sellers like you to discover these insights, and it keeps me motivated to bring you my best. Like this next strategy, this one's gonna take your organic growth to the next level because there's a hidden Amazon SEO opportunity that most sellers overlook, but it's hiding in plain sight. Look, Amazon's algorithm doesn't just analyze your product title and your bullet points. It also crawls the text in your customer reviews. That means that if your reviews contain high value keywords, that creates a powerful SEO synergy to push your listings higher in the search results. And this is where the keyword whisper strategy comes into play. Here's how you master it. When asking for reviews, ethically of course, encourage your friends and family to drop specific keywords into their reviews. So instead of simply saying, hey, tell us what you think about our product, give them 1 or 2 high-value keywords that you're not currently ranking for and show them how to use those phrases naturally in their reviews. For example, if your product is a resistance band, you might guide them to mention things like, this no-slip resistance band is perfect for intense workouts, or this booty band also works wonders for physical therapy. When you do that, you have stuffed high-value keywords into your reviews using natural language. And when multiple Amazon customers mention features and benefits along with these high-value keywords, it signals to Amazon that these terms are highly relevant to your product. By using this keyword whisper strategy, you're going to unlock the hidden potential of your reviews by helping Amazon match search queries with your listings. And then you've turned regular reviews into organic growth engines that work alongside your listing to dominate Amazon search results. But there's a much simpler tweak that you can make without bugging family or friends. This next hidden Amazon feature not only attracts customers, but also boosts your average order value, and it helps you rank higher in the search. However, most sellers completely miss this hidden gem, but it's a total game changer because Amazon isn't just about selling products. It's about solving problems for customers. And one of the most powerful ways to do that is by offering unique product bundles that solve a complete problem for your ideal customer. But here's the trick. It has to help you break into untapped SEO territory, creating an irresistible offer for your buyers. Let's take protein powder as an example. Let's say your unique vegan protein powder is getting steady traffic and solid reviews, but like many sellers, you might feel stuck in competitive limbo, competing on price and fighting tooth and nail to win clicks. But what if there was a way to enter a completely new market, one that doesn't even know they need your product yet? That's where the bundle up strategy comes in. Picture this. Your protein powder isn't just a protein powder anymore. It's part of a vegan performance starter kit. It's designed to help beginners. And you bundle your powder with a premium shaker bottle that's sleek, BPA free, and fits into cup holders, and a pack of vegan pre-workout supplements. Here's why this works like magic. By creating a bundle, you unlock keywords and audiences that your standalone protein powder could never reach. Terms like muscle building kits and muscle building starter packs. These are often less competitive, but yet they pull in buyers who are ready to invest in an all-in-one solution. We do this with virtual bundles because when you create a virtual bundle, you're essentially launching a brand new listing onto Amazon, but you don't have to package it and ship it into inventory. Amazon just pulls the pieces when an order comes in. This means that you have the chance to write an entirely fresh title, bullet points, and product description for keywords that wouldn't naturally fit into your main product's listing. And now you can enjoy a whole new honeymoon period with Amazon. That's not the only benefit. Now, instead of selling your protein for $47, you're offering an entire package for $75. The customer feels like they're getting more value because they are, and you're increasing your average order value with minimal effort. And here's the kicker. Bundles typically convert higher than single item listings. Why? Because customers love a good deal, and bundles feel like a steal. And higher conversions mean better search rankings, and better search rankings mean more organic traffic. It's a snowball effect that keeps working for you. The strategy is simple. Combine up to 5 of your existing products into a single Amazon listing using Amazon's virtual product bundles tool. Of course, this is available for brand registered sellers, but from here you can select complementary products. You can craft a unique title and description tailored to your target demographic and optimize the listing with fresh keywords to tap into new SEO opportunities. By implementing the bundle up strategy, you're doing more than just selling products. You're solving problems. You're creating value and carving out a unique SEO position on Amazon that puts you ahead of your competitors. It's not just about selling more, it's about selling smarter. But what if I told you there was a way to place your product right on your competitors' listings and siphon their shoppers right to your listings? Well, you can, because there's another hidden gem that could completely transform your organic traffic strategy, and the best part, it's totally free. But most sellers overlook this feature because imagine an Instagram-like feed on Amazon. But instead of influencers posting selfies, it's your product front and center, grabbing attention, building trust, and driving traffic directly to your listings. That's exactly what Amazon posts are. And yet, most sellers completely ignore these. But here's why that's an absolutely dangerous mistake. Because when you don't create Amazon posts, you leave an open space on your listing for your competitors' posts to show up instead. It's like handing them free real estate on your listing to promote their products. But when you create Amazon posts, you can flip the script and place your posts on other people's listings. That way you're pulling traffic in and potential sales in and increasing your organic traffic. Here's how to leverage Amazon posts for maximum impact. Think of Amazon posts like your personal billboard, except you're not paying a dime for the exposure. Use eye-catching, high-quality images and captions that highlight the benefits of your product. Whether it's a lifestyle shot or a close-up of a problem, make your posts stand out. Because the magic of Amazon posts is they don't just show up on your listings, they can appear on similar product pages too. This means that if a customer is scrolling through your competitor's product page, they can see your post and click through to your listing. It's a subtle but powerful way to siphon traffic away from your competitors. But don't stop at 1 or 2 posts. Think of posts like owning more ad space without the cost of traditional ads. And remember that the absence of Amazon posts creates a void that competitors will happily fill. But if you're the one filling that void, you're not just defending your territory, you're actively encroaching on theirs. But there's one hidden feature that takes everything we've talked about to the next level. This hidden feature puts your product directly in front of people who are already primed to buy. And this hidden feature isn't just about traffic, it's about tapping into the trust and influence of others to skyrocket your sales. Amazon influencers are like the undercover VIPs of Amazon. These content creators have dedicated followers who trust recommendations. But here's the beauty of it. They're already part of Amazon's ecosystem. So their followers can seamlessly click through and buy your product with no extra steps. And here's the really good news. Whether you're selling fitness gear or kitchen gadgets or pet supplies, there's an influencer with a loyal following in your space. By collaborating with them, you're putting your product in front of potential shoppers who are already highly likely to convert. And it's really easy. They just send traffic to your product with an Amazon link. And because the traffic is warm, it often converts at much higher rates. But unlike traditional celebrity endorsements, working with Amazon influencers is often far more affordable. And you can scale your partnerships as you grow together. Simply find creators in your niche. Reach out with a personalized pitch, explaining why your product aligns with their audience and how they can benefit. Provide them with free products, exclusive discounts, or commission-based incentives to sweeten the deal. By leveraging Amazon influencer partnerships, you're not just promoting your product, you're also tapping into their trust and their credibility. And that's how you can connect with their audience. It's one of the fastest ways to drive traffic and build your brand and boost your sales, all with a single partnership. But one mistake that I see beginners make over and over again is thinking that simply driving traffic to your listing is enough to make sales. Here's the hard truth. Traffic doesn't guarantee sales. You could have 10,000 people landing on your product page today, but if your listing isn't optimized to convert browsers into buyers, you're just throwing your money out the window. And that's why I created this video. In it, I'll break down the exact strategies I've used to turn underperforming listings into sales machines, so you can stop waking up to no new sales and start seeing real growth. Hit play and I'll show you how easy it is to use the exact same data-backed secrets that top sellers use to dominate Amazon.